Hello, it's another Friday, another weekend. I'm recording this Friday, our Friday tonic from my patio. The British will say patio. I'm just relaxing, looking at nature. And I'm going to continue today on the topic I started some Fridays ago about how we use our five senses for faster manifestation of progress, of prosperity, of abundance. Today, this is the fourth Friday I started. I'm talking about the fourth sense, which is the sense of smile. Sorry, sense of smell. Sense of smell. My name is Josephine, and I anchor Languages, an academy of knowledge economy. Every Tuesday, I release a video on a core teaching in philosophy of religion or theology. Fridays like this, I only speak on germane issues, important issues that are critical and essential to our development, to our progress, to our fulfillment. I specifically choose this place, this is my patio, because I'm talking about sense of smell, because I can smell nature all around me. The green leaves, the trees behind me, the birds doing what you are, the squirrels, you could smell them. And you could look up to appreciate what God has done for humankind. And you begin to imagine how lovely would have been the Garden of Eden if our first parents have not sinned and be driven away from the Garden of Eden. So today, I'm going to talk on the sense of smell. And like I always do, I will love you when I start sharing my PowerPoint presentation to take your pen, to take your paper, and jot down notes. I want you to know that I do this for in-depth understanding of all the things I am talking to you about, all the things I am saying. If you are joining me for the first time, my name once again is Josephine. I live in Austell, Georgia, United States of America. And my channel is Languages, an academy of knowledge economy. Let's join Languages and see what. Like I said, before we join the Languages advertisement, I'm speaking on the sense of smell today. In the earlier videos of like 3 past Fridays, I spoke about the essence of combination of those 5 senses to achieve great things in life. Not using them singularly, but using them together. And today is the fourth sense I'm talking about, the sense of smell. I've spoken about sense of touch. I've spoken about sense of hearing. I've spoken about sense of sight. I'm speaking now on sense of smell. And next Friday, I'll be talking about sense of taste. And I said we can use these 5 basic human senses for spiritual, physical abundance and foster manifestation of prosperity. Sense of smell. You could see this, my flower that is near me here. I can touch it. I can smell it. When we talk about sense of smell, I'm talking about scents. I know some people are so sensitive, they have their smell is better than others. When something is burning, they easily smell it. When there is an odor, bad odor or good odor somewhere, they easily smell it. And some easily, they don't perceive scents. According to the National Institute of Health, humans may be able to smell over 1 million scents. Over 1 million scents. Humans smell with an olfactory cleft found on the nasal cavity's roof. And next to the smelling part of the brain, the olfactory bulb and the fossa, nerve endings in the olfactory cleft transmit smells to the brain. We are here again. You discover that in all each sense I have spoken on, their function when it is processed in that cell is transmitted into our brain. The same thing. The nerve endings in the olfactory cleft transmit smells to the brain. Dogs, for those who keep dogs or who love dogs or who have dogs around them, dogs are known as great smellers. But research suggests humans are just as good. Research published in the May 11, 2017 issue of the journal Science suggests that humans can discriminate among 1 trillion different odors. It was once believed that humans could take in only like 10,000 different smells. But recent research has proved that humans can smell over different 1 trillion odors. The sense of smell is just as good in humans as in other mammals, like rodents and dogs. John Magdan, a neuroscientist at Rutgers University, New Brunswick in New Jersey, and the author of the New Review, said in a statement, the Rutgers study backs up a previous study at the Rockefeller University in New York, whose findings were published in the March 2014 issue of the Journal of Science. Humans have 400 smelling receptors. You look at this picture here that I've put here. Look at those smell receptors. Are you seeing? Yes, I know you can see it. Humans have 400 of them, smelling receptors, according to the Monroe Chemical Senses Center. And why this isn't as many as animals? Because animals have more smelling receptors than us. Some animals do. The animals that are super smellers, they have more. The much more complicated human brain makes up for the difference. Human brains are more complicated, they are complex, better than any other mammal's brain. So even though our smelling receptors are just 400, and there are some super animals who have more smelling receptors, it is compensated for our brain. I'm not talking about sense of smell here, like a neuroscientist, like a scientist factor or new research. But what I'm saying here is that I want you to smell your dreams into reality and prosperity. Convert your sense of smell to sense of abundance, which will make it possible for you to have faster manifestation of your dreams. If you can smell it, you can have it. If you can touch it, You can see it. You can taste it. You can smell it. You will get it. Exactly, that is what I'm saying. Smell your dreams into reality and prosperity. That's what I want to say this Friday. I want you to have a lovely weekend. Like I'm enjoying myself here. And I know that you will have learned something here, especially smelling your dreams into reality. Have a wonderful weekend. Thank you.